Today's video is perfect for broke beginners who have no experience but want to make a couple $100s a week without having to make any cash investments up front. This money-making strategy is also perfect for those of you with a little bit of extra time on their hands and want to make decent money via a side hustle, but that doesn't take too much time. We'll be talking about this in full detail today, so if you're interested, make sure to stick around for the whole video. Welcome to Next Level Finance, where we teach you how to make money online with your financial freedom as the ultimate goal. So what we're talking about today is called a print-on-demand service. This is a business process wherein companies only print designs on t-shirts, mugs, postcards, or whatever other type of inventory they carry when they receive a customer order. Now don't worry, you don't have to open an actual print-on-demand service business for this. What we'll be talking about instead is how you can sell designs to this wildly popular POD service and make money. Again, this is beginner friendly, so you don't have to be a graphic designer or Photoshop expert to get started on this. This website has its own designer. Also, Canva will work great, and I'll show you how to use both those in a minute. Let's first talk about the platform we want to sell in. It's called Zazzle.com, and it's an existing POD service that gets around 16.4 million views per month. And what's great about this traffic is that people visit the website with the intention to buy. They're looking for specific themes, specific designs that they need for themselves or to gift to others. And who doesn't want access to 16.4 million customers who are willing and able to pay, right? Another great thing about Zazzle.com and working on designs for them is that you don't need to worry about logistics. Material sourcing, printing, payment, and the actual shipping will all be taken care of by their side of the business. As a designer, all you need to do is submit designs that people want to buy. And when you do, you can count on recurring passive income. How do you get started on Zazzle? Well, there are two ways. You could either use their website/online store or download the app and start there. After that, you'll want to create an account and begin right away. So see here, let's visit Zazzle.com, and then you'll find a button right here on the left that says Trending. So you'll want to click on that to see what people are looking for. Here I can see that pillows, t-shirts, invitations, postcards, and photo blocks are doing well. I guess people are always looking for these. And when you scroll down, you'll notice that because Halloween is coming up, that's a trending category too, and you'll see invitations, gift tags, paper plates, and pillows that are perfect for people who are planning their Halloween parties. After looking at that, you now have an idea of what's selling these days, and you can decide on which particular items you'd like to make custom designs for. So simply click on Create, which is also on the left-hand side of the page, and once there, click on Blank Products, and then View All. Here you'll see the different product types that you can work with. Just to show you how easy this all is, let's try making something right now. Remember, this is for demonstration purposes only, so please don't worry about how good or unappealing my design looks just yet. Okay, so from there, you'll want to click on Blank Products, and let's pick this one. Alright, I like this t-shirt. Now scroll down again to choose the specific kind of shirt you want. Let's see, okay, this one should work fine. From there, click on Add Image on the right side of the screen, and that should lead you right over here where you can upload images from your phone or laptop and go ahead and add text like so. Please take note that the Zazzle platform does clearly state that the icons available on the Zazzle app and website are for consumer use only, and that you cannot post a product for sale if the design contains an icon. So to avoid any trouble with your Zazzle account, just look up stock icons or images yourself and then upload them via the website or the Zazzle app. Okay, so now check this out. You can rearrange or resize elements. Just like this, just drag them. Okay, you can also change the font size and the font style. Say for instance, I want to put Next Level Finance to the text for my shirt. I can change the font style and size right here. I can also add this icon, for example, and move it around depending on where on the shirt I want it. I can also adjust the picture size until I'm happy with it. So when I'm done with my design, I can simply click on the Sell It button on the upper right part of the page, and that's it. I'm good to go. Now, wasn't that all really easy? As I said, you don't have to be a designer to do this. If you don't think you're too keen on design or you're clueless about what looks nice, then don't worry. What you can do is check out websites like Pinterest, perhaps, and type in your category or theme of choice. For example, if that's like a birthday t-shirt design, then you can simply type that on the Pinterest search bar, and then you'll see what designs people are pinning. And this will obviously give you a clue as to what designs people are looking for or are intending to buy. You can also go to websites like Amazon or another POD website called redbutton.com, because from there, you can easily sort the designs based on the best to the least selling items. And yeah, you'll know which designs work. And once you have a collection of these designs, then you can simply pattern your designs after them. And no, this is not to say that you should copy designs or plagiarize or steal ideas from others. That's not what we're trying to do here. What we're trying to do is to model success. There are already certain designs that are proven to convert, and you'll want to take a look at those. If you find a design that works, then you can find a way to apply a similar style to your own product because you know that there is a demand for it. Now let's try this process again, but this time using Canva. So on Canva, you can pretty much make anything. There are a ton of templates that you can use, and you want to go ahead and specify the size that you will need. So let's say that we'll be making a shirt, then specify that on Canva, just like this, and add all the elements that you want. Just like that. And when you're done, you can go back to Zazzle, click on Add Image, then click on Upload Images and open. And there you have it. Your t-shirt design will be ready to sell as soon as you click on the Sell It button. And here's a bonus tip I wanted to share with you. On the home page, you'll want to scroll down to the bottom of the page, and you'll find something that says Refer a Friend. You'll want to click on that because you'll be able to give your friends anywhere between 20 to 65% off of their first purchase worth at least 25 bucks. And the great thing about it is when their order ships, you too will get a code that's worth 25 bucks. So that's pretty good, right? That's pretty much it for today's video. I hope you got a ton of value from today's content and can get started right away, because tomorrow you will only wish that you had started today. As usual, please don't forget to like, subscribe, hit the notification bell, and share this video with all of your friends. Do let us know how you're doing by leaving us a comment, and that's it. Signing off until the next one.